and then apparently she left and was possibly struck by a vehicle. So that's why we're here, because possibly got hit in the roadway, which would have been ours right over there.
I mean, she's...
The person, whoever was following her, said that she possibly got hit by a car.
And I'm just trying to go home.
So that's why we're here, to investigate the crash.
I'm sorry, I missed it. Could you just explain to me what you were explaining?
I ordered a lift at the bar.
Okay.
And then he told me he had my ride here.
Okay.
And brought me back.
Okay.
There's a lot of officers.
Right,
and I'm just trying to go home.
So you know? Like walking.
Yeah, I can walk home. Like
right.
I literally.
But you
can
know,
walk
if
home.
you were walking home, it's not like
no,
you wouldn't be in trouble.
No. Like I literally am just trying to go home.
Okay, where do you live?
I live off 100 Drew Street East, off of Clearwater. Like I don't live far from here. Like I just want
Okay. Do you know these people?
No, I don't. Dude, this is getting upsetting. I just want to go home.
I understand, but we're just trying to figure out,
Yeah, this is crazy as I just want to go home.
Understand?
So, like, I don't understand. I just want to go home. Dude, have my address. You have my, my information. Yo, I'm totally legit. Like, I just want to go home. Like, I'm not trying to upset anybody's evening.
They're here just to investigate what happened over there.
Sir, I didn't even do anything over there. Dude, are you serious?
You're not under arrest right now. You're not in trouble.
I literally just spent 2 years in prison, and I did everything, dude. I did my time. I did my time, dude.
Okay. No, I believe you.
You don't get it. Like, I did it, dude. I have not done anything I'm not supposed to do. Well, I'm not banging on anything, and I'm totally fine. Hey, yo, I got my directions messed up, and all I have to do is take my and go on my way. Please, please let me go on my way. Please let me go on my way.
They really weren't expecting what she was about to do.
Really quick, man, what's going to happen is our medical team is going to check you out, okay? You have a boo-boo, they're going to check you out, make sure you're good to go, okay? And then we'll finish talking to you.
I just want to go on my way, dude.
Okay.
Like, my shoes are right there. You have my ID. Let me go on my
so
way.
we have a legal obligation to check you out. That's
cool. Like, I'm G all day.
I would suggest you calm down. Have a seat and let them do their job, and then we'll go from there, okay?
You want to do your job? Where are we at? Let's do our job, bro.
Put your shirt down. There's no reason to do that.
Have a seat for me. My name's Jordan, I'm a paramedic in the fire department. Listen, okay? Just have a seat for me. Our partner's going to ask you a couple questions. I'm just going to check your vital signs, okay?
Get the away. Hey, Jordan, I'll help you out.
Do you know where you are now?
I mean, unless you found people would like to give you a ride home, I was going to talk to a neighbor, but apparently.
These are your neighbors here that you knocked on the door for?
Yeah, well, to the left and the right. Like, we were just going to catch up, but...
Do you know them?
Well, I did, but you made a scene.
Well, no, they called us, so they made a scene, not us.
No, they didn't.
They did.
The people in the bar.
No, so the people from the bar called us. We were over there looking for you. We work for Largo. These gentlemen over here work for PCSO, and they also called.
You guys can drop me off.
We won't do that.
Like,
we're not going to do that.
I'm fine.
This is what's going to happen, okay?
I have a lift on the way to get me.
What's going to happen is you're probably going to end up going to a hospital.
No, I have a lift on the way.
I'm just informing you of what's going to happen. So you're probably going to go to a hospital. You'll probably either go to the hospital with them, or we'll bring you to the hospital ourselves. Due to your inebriated state, we don't believe... I'm going to finish talking, but you don't have to listen. So we don't believe that you are able to provide self-care at this moment.
But you guys do self-care, right?
Well, you can't do self-care.
No,
you have an injury.
I have a
you
lift
stumbled
on
upon
the way
these
here.
people's house.
No,
it's not
sir.
your house, and nor is it your neighbor's house. They don't know you. Hence the reason why they contacted 911. So those are our two options that we have right now, okay?
Yeah, but I have a lift on the way.
I've already explained to you what the options were.
So please don't get upset.
I'm not upset. I promise.
Yeah, the lift is on the way to get me.
So those are the two options. Which option would you prefer? Would you rather go to the hospital with them, or would you rather go to the hospital with us?
I don't need to go to the hospital.
Okay, I'm only going to provide that option one more time, and then I'll make the decision for you.
Whoa, hold up. Dude, I literally have a lift on the way to get me.
I heard that already.
My house is over here.
You live on Druid. Do you know where you are right now?
Yeah, I do know where I am right now, but like my old address, I know these people. Like,
Well, they don't know you, man. That's why they called 911.
no, they didn't.
They
the
did,
people,
though.
the people from the bar did.
I'm not going to argue with you. That's not going to
Sir,
help us, man.
Sir, okay. Well, I have a list on the way to get me
Okay,
from
so
this situation. So
How
you don't
would you
need
like to do this?
Please don't lock me up.
Well, no one's trying to lock you up. We're trying to take you to a hospital.
Yeah, for no reason. When I have a list on the way, I have a list.
All right, ma'am. So you want to go with them, or do you rather come
No,
with
I
us?
have a list, sir.
I gave you the two options. We have to choose one of the two.
No, I have a list. I have a list.
She was about to make things unnecessarily complicated.
I'm really not. Like, I wasn't aware of the situation. That is my old address. Ask them. Right.
So do you want to go with them, or do you want to come with us to the hospital?
No, the lift is gonna take me.
Okay. Oh.
No. I have a list. How is this legal? When I have a list, how is this legal? I just spent 2 years because of you people. Are you serious? I spent 2 years in prison because of you. Are you serious?
There's kids around here. We should watch our profanity.
Right. Oh my God. Watch my profanity.
Well, there's kids inside of the neighborhood.
Go yourself.
That would be weird.
Hey, can we go now or what?
pulling over.
Like, no, apparently I can't get a lift out of here. I can't get a lift out of here.
All right, let's
so,
walk.
apparently I'm an asshole, right?
Don't fall. I don't want you to hurt yourself.
Sir! Hey! Ow!
Let's walk. Come on.
Just walk, Norma.
Nope.
Come on. Come on. You're just walking.
Stand up.
You walked all the way from Sharks. You can walk.
No, apparently I'm a dumb right?
Let's go.
I didn't walk
Put up-
off of it.
You want to walk, or you want us to carry you?
No, apparently you can carry me.
Okay.
You can walk like an adult, or we're going to have to carry you like a child. What do you want?
We'll drag her if she wants to be dragged. There you go. Widen your stance, please. Perfect.
No, I don't want my sister because he has little
Look
cunts
forward.
like you.
Face forward.
Oh, is that another charge? Have you looked me up yet or not?
I got it.
You little bitch ass.
Sit in the car.
No. No. You arrested me unlawfully. Unlawfully arrested me. Unlawfully arrested me. Unlawfully.
All right, come on, step out. Step out. Step out.
Okay.
You can use the same one. She already has them on. Tighten them both.
You had that option, man.
Did you read my record?
We didn't need to. There was no reason to. We weren't charging you with anything. Go on channel 1, let them know you have a hobble.
Dude.
Grab the spit mask from inside.
5 years in the prison.
Yes, the best place to wreak havoc, the hospital.
Help me.
Ashley, we're gonna move you onto a bed, okay?
Well, help me.
All right, we're going to pick you up. We're going to move you on.
Okay.
Remember what we said?
You gotta go from the other side.
Help me.
Uh,
No,
check
like,
these there.
unstrap me. Unstrap me.
Ashley, they're going to move you to the truck.
Yes, unstrap me,
They
dude.
will as soon as they get you over there. You got to remain calm, okay? Just calm down. The more you stay calm, the better we can take these things over, right?
Ow.
Yep, lay on your side, lay on your side, lay on your side.
Can you please take these off?
We're gonna adjust.
Take these
We're gonna start here.
And then we'll bring the arm over. You know what I mean? So we'll always have a pocket. We don't have to worry about reattaching the handcuff to her.
Oh no! Oh, there we go. Right, like, cause I don't have a handcuff myself.
Double lock that too.
Yeah, double lock. Out of here. No. Oh, I really do.
Make sure you check your back seat.
Well, white American. Right.
She's just intoxicated, but that's it.
Oh no, I'm
no.
just intoxicated. That's all it is. I didn't think so. I didn't think so. I wouldn't either. Yeah, well, it's totally cool when you're just like strolling your old neighborhood and then the cops of Vanilla show up. So how dare anybody have like a one or two, right? Are we done? Do I get to go back to prison now, or like what is happening?
We have to medically clear you.
Yeah, cool. Are we go? Am I going to prison or no?
All right, you're
Like,
going
do
to
I get to like live my day out or what? Like, this is wasting my time, your time. We all get it. You know,
I know.
right?
Okay.
You're wasting my time. So are you, darling.
What to do with you?
Don't try to give me a good time. I mean, it has
For the babies.